Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Hope you guys doing great. My name is Firdaus Sahel. I have experienced more than 11 years with different software and tools. In this video with Google Chrome browser, I'm going to show you how to search for the tabs. First, we're going to create some tabs here. To create, we need to click here on the plus right here. Or you can just right click and here you can create new tab, or you can use the shortcut Ctrl+D. And also from here you can just click here and click on new tab. And now if I want to search for recently closed tabs and the opened tabs here, what I need to do is that I'm going to click right here. And as you can see, when I click, it's going to show me which I can search for tabs right here. You can use the shortcut Ctrl+Shift+A. You can see the open tabs right here. You can close them, or you can just click here to open that tab. And also down there we have recently closed tabs. If I want to open any, simple, I'm going to click at that to open that tab for me. So from here I can access to the open tabs and also the recently closed tabs. So this is how we can find the tabs, or you can search for the tabs with your Google Chrome browser. So hope you guys enjoyed and learned, and if you have any question or doubt, please let me know in the comment box of this video. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and also subscribe to the channel. So see you guys in the next video.